Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to update your Snapchat account to the newest version. So, as you can see, I have Snapchat on. I just reinstalled it for this video, which is kind of funny. But what you want to do is go to, if you're an Android user, go to the Play Store. If you're an Apple and iPhone user, go to the App Store. So let's do that. So what you want to do is, as you can see, we already have Snapchat on. And as you can see here, it says open. Now, if there is an update, it's going to say update, so you can manually do it. But here's the kicker: what people or other videos don't tell you, right? Your phones, especially the newer models, will, as long as you have an internet connection or a Wi-Fi connection, or if you have a mobile hotspot, it will pretty much update your phone automatically, right? So if you think that you're not getting any updates, your phone will pretty much update it on the background. The only thing that I can think of, if it's not updating, that you might have difficulty in refreshing your feed and whatnot. So again, you're fine with that. But if you're not, if you think that your phone is not updating, what you want to do is go to your settings. This might be a different pathway for both iPhone or Android, or even different models from each. Go to your apps, where you have your apps, and go find Snapchat, right? So go to Snapchat, and for Android and iPhone, pretty much the same. Go to storage, make sure to clear your cache, right? Clear your cache. After that, some people say you don't need to restart your phone. I would suggest to restart your phone just to be sure. And after that, you should be good. If not, what you want to do is just, uninstall and reinstall. That way, you have an internet connection. You know that it's going to update automatically. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.